Yo, what is up, yo? Yo, what's going on, guys? This is how I made on the live account. Okay, so live account, I didn't make anything. Okay, I only made. In fact, I'm actually down like $74. No, boom, switch to live. This is an actual live account today. Um, yeah. So this is live account. By good coast position. Today I'm only down like $74. I'll take it. This is actually a mistake though, but hey, it's a mistake. We basically like break even on the live account. Now, on Top Step, this is where things get interesting. So on Top Step, I'm actually up around $1,886. I took two trades today, right? We're up this amount today. I didn't make anything. This is the combine, right? This is the combine. And then for the options, I'm up a little over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're up like 4 bands today ish. You know what? Let's get right into it. Let's see. So the ones right here, the one I actually just showed you for the 4 bands, that's options. I'm like trading zero ETD, zero expiration date. I'm like putting like $2,000 on the line, like $2,000. Like the contracts are worth like $2,000. So yeah, let's get right into it. So coming into market open first, we want to do is just mark out our session open because that's really important. Boom, boom, boom. You know what? I think I might do. I think I might live trade tomorrow on YouTube. That's something I'm open and willing to do. Just live trade on YouTube. So let's get right into it. So on the 1 hour on on ES, we had draws on liquidity, right? But in the 4 hour, we took out this low, part like that out in black, and we also managed to take out this low. So we took out not just one but two lows of high time frame draws on liquidity. I'm like, okay, bet we took out those lows. I kind of want to see a reaction towards the upside to take out take that out, at least up to these highs. Like that's like my only kind of take profit. So we go on the 1 minute. We could like probably delete that. We go on the 1 minute. We mark out all the macro. Macro hits it's at 1450. Now, bro, not pre market open was so choppy. I was like, okay, bad. We come back down. We're just chopping, 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 and then finally, we got to break the structure. Low key, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was about to enter off here, but no, I enter off literally this candle upside and stops below here, and then target would be here. That was the first trade. First trade. That was the first trade. That was like a 108. And then after that, what you guys could have done is boom, boom, probably enter off this fair value gap, stops below. I would have been like this candle right here. This would have been a 1 to 3 risk reward. But I low-key saw this break of structure. I'm like, okay, bet I kind of want to see. Like, this is a risky trade. I'm willing to risk. I was kind of like antsy. I kind of went balls deep, a little heavy, and then towards this draw on liquidity, as you can see, boom, it got hit. All right. Now for the second trade, after this got hit, my position got closed. I'm like, okay, bad. Let's see what's going on. So we immediately get a break of structure towards the downside. I'm like, huh. Immediately got a break of structure towards the downside. Next thing you know, I'm like, okay, bet. Boom. You know what? I'm willing to take this. So I enter off this candle. And my stops would have been here. And then I was targeting this low right here. Like these lows. And I had this as take profit. So my entry was basically literally like liquidity sweep and a breaker structure. Like I know I don't really trade like that, but boom, this one was a 1-2 risk to reward. And this one actually, so once TP1 got hit, I moved my stops to break even. Okay, well, I moved my stops to break even because I wanted all of this to get taken. And you can tell I literally get stopped out to break even. TP1, TP2 got hit. TP3 then almost got hit. Almost got hit, but and then we reversed. My stop loss was set to like a profit of like $200 on what's it called on Trade Locker. So I honestly just did not really make any much on Trade Locker. So yeah, but we did make some money off those options. So yeah, so my literally all I entered off was a liquidity sweep and a breaker structure. That's literally all I entered off today's trade. Is that reasonable? No, not really. That was more of like a. It's like a. How about this? It's like saying I go half court. It's like I'm playing basketball, right? And I shoot 2 half-court shots. It's like, bam. You know, based on my experiences, it may or may not go in. And then, right now, you could say most of those half-court shots going in. Not really, but we managed to get some kind of profit. And yeah, that's what played out in my favor. I'm not worried about it today. I'm not complaining about it, and I'll take it. But yeah, that was today's trade recap. And also, I think I'm gonna stop doing all that managing position at one time. Cause keep in mind, I'm literally I'm trading I'm like trading like different devices. So I got the live account, I got the options, I have the funded, not funded, but the evals, and then I'm like managing 3 positions at one time. So that's kind of hard. I think that's a bad idea. But hey, we're gonna do some alpha future evals because they have discount coming up. Yeah, I already know I'm gonna hop on that discount and then we'll see if we can cook something up. You know what I mean? Price action wasn't really too bad today. I'm not complaining about it, but yeah, that was the trades I took today. Hopefully, you guys can learn something about this. But if you guys are confused, I did not look. I didn't really look at the 5 minute though. I mean, you could have like on Nasdaq. I wasn't really worried about right here though. One of my students actually DM'd me saying, "Oh, Chris, like, what was you looking at? This and that." You could have honestly targeted it. Nah, no, that feedback never got hit. The thing is with ES, like, we was already up in these highs. Like, ES was just already so up there. Oh, hello. The reason why I didn't take a trade on Nasdaq is because, bro, ES hasn't even taken out these highs. Hasn't even taken out these London session highs. I'm like, okay, bet. Since ES is a lagging index, Nasdaq already took out those highs. ES is a lagging index. We're bound to take out those highs. So it's high probability that ES is going to take out those highs before we come back down and we get a retracement down. So that's why I took the trade on ES, because NQ was already like so high up that I'm like, okay, bet. ES was just waiting for it to get taken out. That's why. That's why I didn't take a trade on NQ.